How to reset Scotiabank password on mobile. So first of all, go to any web browser, then simply search for Scotiabank Sign In. After you do so, on top you'll see their official website, that is www.scotiaonline.scotiabank.com. Then tap on that link. Now once you come to the official website, just go ahead and tap on Need Help Logging In option. Now once you come to this page, tap on I forgot my password. Now over here, enter your username or your card number. After this, tap on Continue. Now over here, make sure that you enter your legal last name. After that, enter your date of birth and then tap on Continue. After this, you might have to go through some verification process before you reset your password. Then, make sure that you create a strong password for your account that consists of letters as well as numbers. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.